Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can use the Logitech G920 driving force racing feel with a PlayStation 5. Now, I don't know what is your limitations, but it sometimes has to be like this. Now, this basic steering wheel is made for an Xbox One or an Xbox Series X or S. It's basically programmed for Xbox, but you can somehow make it work with the PlayStation. But you're just gonna have to go through a lot of hoops, and I'm gonna teach you what you will need to do. So first, what you're going to want to do is download PS Remote Play. This will allow you to play PlayStation games from on your PlayStation, but it's going to be streamed on your PC. So you can go ahead and connect the G920 to your PC. Next, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your G920 is actually read by the PC. For that, you're going to have to install this release, which is a VIGEM bus, and it's basically it's actually going to start to read the inputs that are coming from the steering wheel and give you an active response. The next thing that you're going to want to do is download something called X360CE. Now, because the wheel is for an Xbox, you're gonna have to reprogram a lot of the instructions, or actually all of the instructions again, for a PlayStation. So you're gonna launch this program, and what this will do is every time you make an input, you're gonna program that input to be something that would be on that you would want it to do. So you can go ahead here, and it's going to show up here after you've installed the VIGEM bus, and it's going to show up on the controls here, and you can go ahead and set it up to however you'd like. There's a lot of different tutorials and introductions on how you can set these up, but these are the three necessary programs that you need to run the Logitech G920 with a PlayStation. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope this video helped you guys out, and you can now successfully play games with your G920 on your PlayStation 5.